Step into the future with Industry Next. We are the undisputed leader in empowering manufacturing industries with cutting-edge IoT capabilities and intelligent solutions. Imagine a world where device management, telemetry, data processing, and visualization seamlessly converge to streamline your entire operational workflow. That's the reality with IndustryNXT IoT Platform. It's a comprehensive solution, built on a seamless blend with the IndustryNXT IoT Gateway, ensuring robust, secure data ingestion from every machine on your floor. Our platform is meticulously tailor-made for dynamic manufacturing environments. Central to this is our real-time analysis dashboard. This intuitive interface transforms raw data into actionable insights instantly, allowing managers to monitor KPIs, detect anomalies, and make critical adjustments with zero delay. We embed intelligence directly into your workflow. Our integrated, RAG-based knowledge base provides instant, context-aware troubleshooting and best practices for every technician, drastically reducing downtime. Your dedicated AI-based virtual assistant provides real-time guidance on data analysis and issue resolution. With Industry Next, you're not just keeping pace with the future, you're creating it. Join us on this journey and redefine what's possible in manufacturing.